Need reliable roofing for your business? Jmar Roofing has been a trusted name in commercial roofing for over 50 years, delivering quality workmanship across Texas. From iconic spots like Stubbs Barbecue to government buildings and large office complexes, Jmar Roofing has provided top-notch commercial roofing solutions. We specialize in metal roofing, roof repairs, and full roof replacements tailored to the needs of businesses. TPO roofing is often ideal for commercial buildings, offering energy efficiency and long-lasting durability. Our team ensures that every roof is built to withstand the elements while enhancing the efficiency and longevity of your building. From high-profile jobs to everyday commercial projects, we handle it all with precision and care. Trust Jmar Roofing for your next commercial roofing project. Contact us today for a free consultation and estimate, and find out what it's like to be built Jmar Strong.